repeat what you just said to me, please? Go on.
What?
You said you're not that heavy.
Oh yeah, you're not that heavy. You're very light.
What do you think of my look?
I think you look so pretty. Not as pretty as me though.
You know what? We need to do a video, a mother-daughter video, like life and like how
Growing
it's been
up.
growing up. We need to do that for
Yeah.
sure. Do you guys want to see a mother-daughter video?
I think they do.
Do you?
Yeah.
It's quite comfy chair, you know.
Hmm?
Quite comfy chair.
I know. Do you know I was filming on this before you came?
No? What are you filming? What are you filming?
Funniness.
You know what I should do?
What?
Is give you a whole load of makeup and say, make a look at this makeup.
I'll do that.
Yeah, challenge. And then you can do the same for me.
Yeah.
But you have to do it on your channel.
No, but you're going to do well and I'm going to do not well.
Well, I'm a makeup artist, professional
Yeah.
makeup artist.
And I'm child.
And you're very good at your makeup, actually.
No.
Yeah, you are.
I do the same thing all the time.
Even with your style. Can you give me a head massage? You should do a how to get mommy to calm down. Stroke her head.
Pretend she's a dog.
Excusez-moi.
Oh, he's like, oh, calm down. Oh, shh. Someone's got a bit of fat, can't get the blouse on. They've got these strings up top, these ones, and they're just so unnecessary.
Says a girl who never wears saris. Do you know why they're necessary?
Why?
Because this is held up. Oh my, yeah. Ah. So when you're wearing a heavy sari and it's pinned to here, you need the strings here to hold this up.
Oh, well maybe
Otherwise
we
it
can
falls down.
improvise. I didn't break it, it was broken already.